Hey, this is Rhonda with the legendary Concrete Serum. The one.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
The man we tell about the red onion and thing for Jamaica good life, and him back with the thing again.
Ah, the play match. Now play a game.
Cause it just feel Jamaican.
Yeah, man.
And him have upstairs too.
Yeah, man. Over there, so everything up here.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
Oh.
Yeah.
Concrete, I'm glad to make it you know what right.
Yeah, man. So they meet Jamaica food. Cool. Them man.
No, Jamaica don't go around Mandeville.
Mandeville, man.
Yeah, man.
Oh. Live band lesson tonight, sir.
Eh?
Live band just a roots bamboo.
It's a rose bamboo.
No, something. Roots bamboo, sir.
So what is this for?
Soon tell you name. Roots bamboo, sir. Long as a Alfred. Yes, I would stack. Some seaside out there.
My youth, them man.
Eh?
My youth, them low.
I don't know, pray for her.
No man, them cool. Them a country man.
Yo, my boss. Yo, my boss. See, my boss, see.
Yes, sir.
Back one, my boss.
Yo, big boss.
Back one, that. Years, me not see you.
Yeah, man, we're there. What's that brother name? Concrete?
Yeah, man. Danger, man.
What's going on, man? The great outside.
Them say the great concrete. Where you get the greatness from?
Alright, over there, so we know, but we are going in here.
Yeah.
We're not going right, so but then lap. We're carrying for right to the here. Right to the home way.
So we're
We're
going
not
to
talking about no bag of place, no, man.
decent place. Something like that. When you're good, you don't walk like you're hungry.
It's a concrete time, my daughter, 2 first cousin.
And that, me I tell you, big up.
Yes.
Hey, I don't understand, you see? We have a powerful thing I carry upon earth. You know, say Friday. Last week, Friday, I did my yard. No, last week, Thursday, my man asked me. They asked me for 3 weeks straight. And I say, what you want to me for, man? Man, some rat, that you need a concrete. I say, yes, man. He said, one lady, send me to you. This one herb, he wants to go to England right now. But when they go up on the internet and see where herb for. So they call him chicken weed.
Yeah, man, we know it. Donkey weed, chicken weed,
Yeah.
for the cancer.
Yes. Yeah, somebody just go look them.
Now you're a bush did that?
Yeah. They have everything, man. They have every herb, man.
Cersei, everything.
Everything.
Neem?
Man. Everything.
You have neem on your bush?
Everything.
How
Man.
are the rats?
Everything, man.
Sarsaparilla.
Well, me dung in a him now.
Roots?
Yeah.
Everything for the roots?
Yeah, I see that hit me, I get you now. The plant.
For what?
You see, sarsaparilla.
Yeah.
But I want to have it like how you see the grass. Go.
Well, I got drive that car there.
That one?
Yeah. Red one.
I heard man, it good for cancer.
What name?
Huh? Them call it root of herbs.
Root of herbs?
Okay, yes, that's the name.
The root of herbs?
Oh, yeah.
So it's like susumba
Yeah.
combined.
Yes.
Kind of the mark up on it.
Yes.
It'll protect itself, so you
Yes.
know say it good.
Yeah.
How you
It
prepare?
good for sore.
How you prepare it?
Yes, you boil it on the fire.
Just cut it and boil
No,
it.
you just dry it like this and boil it on the fire. But all bush must dry.
All bush must dry.
We
Nothing
must
green.
Nothing green.
Why? Cersei wild green.
No. Until you drink the herb green. Any herbal man tell us the herb to drink green. He might mash up.
When we do mint,
No, mint must not drink green. No bush, no herb.
everything dry.
Dry. Any man get herb and say if you boil it.
Or quail, dry or quail.
If it dry, this we know, we have a time and now we have the moon. We have to look the herb before the moon come. We have 2 weeks of dark night, 2 weeks of moonshine. During the time when the moon just come, the herb, every herb turn water. Everything gone back to the herb. You understand me?
Yeah, yeah.
And after I catch 5 o'clock right now, no herb must not draw. You draw the herb at the daylight and enter it to the person. So any man get herb light now, you no good. Everything gone back to bed. Every tree they sleep at this moment. Yeah. But if you come out and look on this tree, you see leaf them lock up. So no herb no good. When you dry it like now, you have to dry it like say at the week 5 o'clock until 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in a day. You stop look herb. All herb. You understand? So if me look herb now and give you, it is like me take your herb, me give you herb and it still not go help you. You waste I go waste some money. You waste your time to boil it, so you better illustrate it. So if you call me now and tell me say you want some herb and me now have it dry in my yard, or me if you go look in me, I tell you plain, you have to go check me in the morning. Tell you what time you have to come for it. Yeah. So me deal with it. Me not deal with herb and just give people and tell people, say, yes, go and go use it. So you have to know if you give people herbs. If you don't know if you give herbs, you don't have to get herbs. Make herbs safe. Herbs are enough for your plan. You don't get that gift there. Herbs are gift.
What about the people who dry the herbs, put in capsule and everything? Everything
yes,
good?
well, at that we try to show you, say, the all herbs have to dry.
Yeah.
Any man give you green herbs, you know, good. It is like the weed where you smoke. If you're not dry, you don't have no. You're not getting nothing from it. You're not clear scrub it. You not burn.
Okay,
Yeah.
alright.
Yeah. You go over bush, huh?
The root of, you said the root of herbs.
Yeah.
Never hear that one here, you know. You ever hear about that one there?
Well, here right now, it grow. You see them, alright, look on that one against the driver. What I say, see blossom where it bloom?
Mm-hmm.
Just go on the internet right now and see if you can find this. Just hold this and look for it right now on the internet.
So let me clarify. If you were to administer this, you would pick it a certain time.
No, you have to pick it like in the morning
In
from
the-
say 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7 a.m.
Yes. When you catch say 2, 3 o'clock, all bush stop look. All herbs.
All bush goes to sleep.
Yes, all herbs go to bed. All herbs. Every herbs. Sleep. Everything sleep. No follow no man. No make no man.
And then you dry it for how long? You just dry it.
When you dry it,
Dry. Yes.
Like you dry it like this week, next week. When you see start get dry, you can't boil it. And behind bush to herbs not for boil.
Yeah, you put in the water and make it dry.
If it dry,
Dry.
Oh, so you
all
put,
herbs to dry.
Dry.
okay, so you put in the hot water and make it,
Yes.
Make it
And
boil.
lock up it.
lock it up.
Yeah.
Root.
Yeah, man.
You said the root of herb. Just this alone for the cancer?
Yes. And like you have a lady now, and you find him saying the balls in your belly. You just boil like give him and get the peppermint and drop it in it and give it to drink. I have one girl on the right now with a roll, you know, last time. We give it for 9 days. today don't get none for me and they have me ain't got no dry out in my way.
90 with the peppermint. So you know about 100 or 200 different variety of herbs,
Yeah.
and talk about your
Go straight down, Paris. Straight down.
Your-
A greenhouse you have a black half of that's still in a big one. You know?
the greenhouse you go.
And then we'll put greenhouse to water.
So where do you learn all this stuff?
Well, it is like if God give me, just God give me right here some of my you just eat the right just on a lack of us here. Come in that
Yes, yes.
all of them land now. All of this. Yes. Let me tell about the cabbage.
So we could set up a tent down. You have any water catchment nearby? So how you bring your water in?
Me have something there down there.
Mosquitoes down here?
Yes, man. Me not tell them something down there. There.
No.
Yes.
Ticks?
No.
Grass lice?
No. When I carry them things.
Grass lice is because of what? Cows?
Yeah.
Cows create grass lice.
Yeah.
Anybody ever camped out here before?
Yeah, man. Home over there, so we build furniture. And trade. You see Herbal me get it,
Yeah.
let's go up on the internet.
These look like callaloo. What are these?
No, there is
These must be a herb.
a herb for baby.
For baby.
Yes. The griping.
Griping.
Yes, baby have a gripe. You see my farm here now. Come here, son. You understand? Come on.
Yes.
Let's go to work. Everything what they are talking, everything. Concrete.
Yeah, the sugar.
Pumpkin. You want a pumpkin, you can pick it. You want, you can. Come again.
You have your okra, your pepper.
Aloe vera. Then there are something else.
Sweet potato.
Cabbage over there, sir.
Oh, them can look nice.
Yes, sir. Any amount you want. Wait also. Watch out. What's that slow movement?
Yeah, man, oh, yes, sir.
Market, you see, with this. A man say me fi catch 12,000 root.
What is it called?
Eh?
What is it called?
This is you just tell your name in like here.
That is
This is comfort.
comfrey.
Yeah. And this is
The
rosemary.
Okay.
Yes, rosemary. So them use this now and build a rosemary oil and sell it. So this now you can eat on your food.
Oh yeah, it smells
And
very
this
good.
is mountain sap.
Not sweet sap.
No, mountain
Not
sap.
sour sap.
No, mountain
What's the
sap.
difference?
Different things are different. They are different flavor, different everything.
All right, hold on a second.
A cotton tree here. Cotton tree.
Cotton tree.
Use build wood.
Yes. Yes, you have a very, I like your farm, it's very nice and clean. You know what I'd love to do? Just build a simple hut on the farm.
Yeah.
Rent it out.
Right up there.
We can't do it up there.
Right up there now.
Simple thing. We can't get it rented for you now.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir. No, sir. Cotton tree. Yeah. Yeah, that tall one. And the next one back over this again, a cotton tree. See over there. I cotton, when them burst, it cotton, what you use fly out of them. Yeah, man.
Yes, concrete. About 5 acres.
Yeah. Me close that. Yeah, 5 years. But by next week when I come and I'm gonna see no grass again, I'm gonna burn them with chemical.
You sure you want to put the chemical on the land though?
Yeah, man. You see pumpkin? Man?
The chemical no affect the growth of the thing.
No.
Why not?
No. You're not giving no. You have to use the chemical. The amount of food. Let it plant. You understand?
Yeah.
And then here a bean.
String bean.
No. Full original bean with shell.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, man, this farm just keep going.
Huh?
It's just.
Yeah, man, see here, whole light of me, whole of this. I have a whole over here, so now we spray down and clean up. See pumpkin in here.
Wow.
See down there.
Look at this one. Look at this pumpkin. Just you know. The Almighty. Blessings and love, pumpkin. What you say? How you feel? You feel nice? Eh?
The next one in front of this again. Look over there.
Yes,
Sit there. Sit there in front over there, sir. Sit over there.
oh, seem like a different brother. This good for the heart, you know.
Yeah, man.
With the skin and everything.
Yeah, man.
Yes, that one you're young. Wow. So you have your pumpkin.
And come again, Jamaican food. Real Jamaican food.
This place is very peaceful.
Yes. This is squash.
Yes, squash.
Yes. Squash what we eat. Green squash. See it here. Ready to eat. I want them ready to cut. Right now. Squash again.
Wow.
Squash.
I love the just the flatness and the space. If you land,
Come again.
not a big pumpkin.
Jamaican food.
What you doing, bro? Is life good for you? Nice, love you. Pumpkin there, ready.
Food, man. See that?
Yes, yes, yes. So you spend many hours in here.
Yes.
So that's what gives you your peace and tranquility.
Yes. Yes. This is squash again right up here. So me have from here so now. We maintain with plants. Go back right round. So when they're right here now, see, look over if you see car.
No.
Pumpkin said we down here so now. Never clean up here now, never spray down back around this plant as well as now with pumpkin. Dashing coast long as yeah, dashing down the planet level long. I want to know if it's right here so I want to cut down the tree and I want to build one pump house right there.
A pump house?
Yes, a river is enough.
Oh, you have a spring?
No, a river, full of fish. All type of fish.
A river?
Yes. All type of fish. You go meet back on the big river, we go down on Negril.
Eh?
Yeah.
And upon your land?
Yeah.
This is where the mosquito come from?
Yeah. But it's full of fish.
How deep is it?
Deep.
You have water upon your land?
Yeah.
So you just pump and
Yeah.
spray
You
your
just need
thing.
a pump right here. Right here.
So this can't be it with?
No,
No?
we don't bathe in that.
No, you can't pump it out and bathe it, eh?
No, we don't use that here.
Why not?
We bring water from main road to put for our body.
Why not?
No, we don't use it. We just don't use it. But it clean. You understand? So, there is a riverhead right there. There's a riverhead right there.
River head.
Here there is.
The water spring up.
Yeah. Right there.
Really?
Yes.
So why couldn't you bathe with that?
No, we don't bathe it.
Because it's more into the greenery.
Marrow.
It's with the plants.
Yes.
Mix up too much.
Yes.
It's not just running.
No.
It sits.
Yeah.
And you-
But they full of fish. You full of crayfish. You full of all type of fish.
yeah?
Every type of fish you know.
You ever caught fish in there?
Otherwise, right now, I'm gonna go build 20 fish pots. You know. You drop in and it go straight there.
So-
clean from here.
So wait a minute.
You can walk clean.
So this is your land
Yeah.
that the river run on.
Yeah.
All the way to the big one.
Yes, all
So if you get a boat, you can literally...
Yes, boat come on the big one.
Okay, it's
Don't
getting
go down
much.
too far. Don't go down.
Okay,
It's kind of right.
okay. But for watering your things...
Right here.
Wow,
Yeah, beautiful.
wow. So if you clean this up, you'll have a nice view,
Yeah.
right? Wow. But people dive in it, you can swim
No,
in it?
nobody dive. Everybody come and catch fish. With them hook and line.
Yeah?
Right here.
Nice big fish.
Yeah, nice big fish. Beautiful. Right here.
Oh my gosh. To think you can come fishing, you know?
Yeah.
And on your own land.
Yes.
Concrete. You know, anyone ever came around here with a camera?
No.
No?
No, nobody don't come here yet. This is the first one coming.
I'm the first one ever putting this on film.
Yes.
What I like about your area is peaceful.
Yes.
It's-
Over here is the golf course.
Okay.
Straight golf course. I can see from here to the ground.
I like your area because it has water.
Golf course. That's Sinclair golf course. It's over there.
Sinclair Golf Course, okay. And yeah, I love it. Look at the water, so you could pump and grow special tomatoes and anything you want.
everything. Right here, so now put the pump out.
The pump house.
Yes, right here. Okay, here, I can yeah, man.
It's a river, you know? We go to the main river at Negril.
Every type.
a pump house a while ago.
Yeah.
Every type. Eh? No, me not tell you no lie. Me never seen none in it.
A fish in the door.
Yes, man, it's full of fish.
Deep.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. When a fish up here, I jump up on
Yeah, man, I tell you, crayfish in it.
Okay.
Every type of fish in it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right now, I want a whole of fish pot. Now cut bamboo and make one man build for me.
Yeah. I get to on boat.
Yeah.
And I go up the river that.
Yeah, go so. I drop out back along a big one now. I go down a Negril.
Oh. Where else are you there?
Watch your step.
Yeah.
Water is not a problem.
No.
But him can't use it for bait or nothing.
No, we
No,
don't
but
use
in
it.
a
For
need
water.
We just want it to
Yeah.
company property.
One time.
Yeah.
Where you can set up another set up your pump and
And that me I go to right here.
drop
So.
the line.
Right here. I set my pump here.
Yeah, man.
And
But
then
this a
what,
piece of land and some of my spray out in our Monday morning. Put it back in a production.
Yeah.
With the hillside, the whole hillside. That was something I'm going to tell about with the cabbage.
yeah, go put
Yeah,
all the
man.
cabbage on that.
Yes, that's something I put the cabbage.
I love this place, man.
Come on, they tell us a beautiful thing here, man. I don't know, I'm going to lose half.
It's a long thing I work it. It's not a long thing I work it now.
Everybody come to my place, I love it. I'm not put no camp now, I put it on the corner here. Yeah, I want it on the corner here. That's where I put it. Everything I have to do. Everything. Right now, I grow anything and tell you no lie. Right now, 3/4 ganja seed me fi carry, you know. So until you come back over here, now I pay weed there look man. 3 feet.
can plant up every little thing.
Everything.
Yeah.
I don't want nothing. I don't want to sell me out there, so I go to the road, go carry it. No.
Everything have you.
Yeah. Fowl I go there, dog go there, cat I go there, everything.
Forrester, you read my brain right now. When I said fowl.
Yeah, fowl I go there, the crow. Dog I go there, cat there.
So, that means I say I have to have light I go there, see him.
Yes, man.
Current I go there,
Yeah.
see him.
For a greenhouse I go bring light.
Yes.
For you don't know, say. For we are going to weed, you know, we have to go with the light. We have everything.
When I go to farming, yeah man, when I do farming, I go do it every little thing. See that is land.
Yeah.
This is land. Everybody have to eat.
Yeah, that's why I say, man, they don't want to come.
And who go like that now, eat them, I go dead.
Yeah, they don't want to come. You call them,
Yeah.
You call them and they don't want to come.
they don't want to move. Then they laugh and take it like a granted and I give them and I say, this man a waste time, man. Yes, my boss. Right, that's me I put the camp. I want it bright in the sun when this one is set. I don't want it to be wasted. No. Yeah, I'm the one. No, but
No, big man level Rasta.
You're patient.
No, for a business level Rasta.
yes. Yes. Okay.
I like this stone.
Yeah, man. I want to put the camp, you see. I put the camp right down there. I don't know.
Wow, I love the view.
We are going to have a toilet while them easy to dig out. I don't have a problem.
Okay.
Someone have a farm right around me. I'm just there right in. I make everything with it. Full cuba and everything.
Ah.
It is tomorrow, so I son out. He burn down around it with fire. I take it back again, pan it on come back on so with that in. Sweet pepper, hot pepper, everything out of the fun.
Your grandparents passed this on to you.
Yeah.
And what was their last name?
Forrester.
Forrester.
Yeah.
Now guys, this is in the west. We're talking about Negril. What do you call this place? Where we are now? What's the name of this?
Negril Road we're there right now.
Negril Road.
Negril Road.
Alright, let me do a GPS on this. I'm gonna add it to the Google Maps. So I want to come through for check you. Boom.
Easy to find now.
1 second. Anybody see your vision?
Yeah.
To try to work with you, them see the wealth you're going to have.
Yeah.
So they won't overcharge you.
Yes. That is it. I call man for cut long this. I want to be sent to give them. Now for we Jamaican money right now. I want to be sent to give them. Give them $1 million to chop it up.
$1 million?
Dollar.
I'm saying that means you can't get them to do it.
Alright, see I will stay like that. And I'm and Jai alone took it down.
You?
Yeah, I'm
How long?
alone. Eh? The piece of land take me like say a month and a half to cut it down.
And a man charge $1 million for do it.
He said we give me $1 million to chop it down. Eh? And then come and look funny. And so then can't do it nothing less. And them have to clean it from down, they come straight round. And you walk through and look funny. And me and Jai alone. Sometimes 12, 1 o'clock at night, me one day at the work. Me have my flashlight. And go back. Fed like this.
When you say go back, so what you mean?
When you drive on the road where the car park.
I feel on?
Yeah man, we can't work, you know.
So Jamaica good life right now. For me organization. Anybody will come.
Yeah, to me, just check me.
Just check you.
Yeah, right now.
After me approve them.
Yeah.
And them can plant anything they want.
Anything.
And come reap it anytime they want.
Anytime. When I know man, I tell us, no, you can't do that, no, you can't do that. Just come to me and you're ready for work. Like.
You're the on a God thing, you know.
Yeah.
You know that.
I bless me, I deal with, man. If I not deal with blessing, you know, come straight. Come in at this 2 weeks straight. Sleeping night and day. I mean, go herd a cow and see there. Right now, if me tell man, check out, come in and say, I like me, I tell. Don't go. And I'm want to do everything. Give me 2 more weeks, I know you come in and see no grass, no nowhere. I want to weed it. I'm say people in our work for me, that's not no sense.
So if a restaurant man from UK wanted to set up our little spot there, so no squatting.
No.
But just to come, set up our base and do our planting.
No problem. We don't have that problem there here, sir. We don't have no problem. No problem. I just food way thing.
What do you call this? Is like a little, your little Zion world, pretty much. This is from the west, beautiful in a brethren. I love it. Why is your heart so clean? Is it Selassie?
Me deal with the right man, God Almighty.
Yeah.
Yes, I just see me deal. Land, you know. Hear me now. Over there gonna wire up. I go wire it up. Spend money for wire it up. Mr. Sinclair pass off. So in fun them now I go wire up that side. So I'm not responsible to that side. I just wire up my side. So my side clean. You understand? For food production me I deal with right here. So I'm here to the morrows.